Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very good. So today I'm gonna present you one of the very authentic, tasty and delicious Bengali recipe, prawn malaikari, or you can say chingdi macher malaikari. But before present you the recipe, I am super excited to show you all the fish market of Dubai. Here you can get almost all types of Bengali fishes. So, do you want to see this? Let's check out. I have brought 450 grams medium sized prawn. Next, rinse the prawn in a cold running water. Never use the water which is warmer than the room temperature, as this could lead to soggy or rubbery prawns. Next is very important, peel and devein the prawn. Let's quickly check out the body parts of prawn so that you can easily remove the useless part. First, I am removing the snout, eyes and little portion of walking legs. Then very slowly I am removing the head shell. After that, cut through the shell of the back of prawn. Once it is done, gradually peel off the shell. It will always be better if you start with underneath where their legs are attached. If you like, leave the last tail segment for looks. Now it's very important, devein by making a shallow slit down the middle of the back just to expose the intestine. Lift out the vein with the point of a paring knife and wipe it off on a paper towel. You can also rinse it out under the cold running water. Now my prawns are absolutely ready for cooking. So I am marinating the prawn with half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Coat them nicely and put them aside just for 5 minutes. In the meantime, just to fry the marinated prawn, I have taken one pan and pouring 2 tablespoons of oil. Guys, as you can see, my oil is heated now, so I am adding the marinated prawn one by one just to fry. Look at the color, my all-time favorite and delicious prawn. Make sure the prawn should be fried from both sides. So guys, my prawns are all done. So it's time to add in some veggies. At first, I have taken 2 medium size onion and chopped them very roughly. Like the same way, I have taken 3 green chilies, 1 tomato, 12 grams ginger, 15 grams garlic and chopped them very roughly. Now it's spices time. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder. After that I have taken 2 bay leaves, 3 cloves, 2 cinnamon stick and 2 cardamom. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon sugar, 4 tablespoon oil, half cup milk, half cup coconut milk and sliced coconut for garnishing. Now coming back to cooking, using the same rest of oil after the prawn fry, adding 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamom and 3 cloves. Stir it and let them crackle. Once it is done, I have added roughly chopped onion and stir it well until the onion no longer smells raw. After that, I am adding one by one green chili, ginger garlic and tomato. Fry it for 7 to 8 minutes. Once the veggies become soft and tender, I am transferring these to mixer just to get a smooth paste. Make sure the paste should be smooth and creamy type. Next, heat some more oil and add the whole masala paste and cook for a minute. Stirring it well until the liquid dry. Now in this stage I am adding 1 tablespoon turmeric powder along with coriander powder, cumin powder and chili powder. Mix them well. Open the lid and check the masala. At this stage I am adding half cup coconut milk and stirring it very nicely. Then I am adding half cup normal milk. When you are using this combined milk, your oven should be on low flame. Cook them another 5 minutes. Guys, as you can see, my gravy is fully cooked now. So this time I am adding my fried prawn very gently and coat them with the gravy. check and fix the sugar and salt. The gravy needs to be smooth and slightly sweet. So guys, prawn malaikari is absolutely ready. Enjoy this authentic, delicious and pure Bengali food prawn malaikari or chingni macher malaikari with some long grain basmati rice. So guys, I hope you really like my video. Then press the like button and don't forget to post your valuable comments below in the comment section. And yes, please subscribe my channel Household Castle. I'll be right back with more interesting video. Till then, goodbye.